On the MBC show Stingy, Jong Kook shocked many by confessing that he didn't use air conditioning all summer. On the episode aired on October 2, Jong Kook, known in the entertainment world for being exceptionally frugal, gave serious advice on spending habits in the current era of slow economic growth and high inflation. During the episode, a game called the Sun Byung-ho game was played to determine the ultimate frugal man by highlighting the excessive spending habits of the extravagant ones. Sun Byung-ho game is a game in which everyone holds up 5 fingers and takes turns saying something they've done. Anyone who has also done that must fold their finger. The first person with no fingers loses. During the game, Jong Kook confessed, "It was really hot this summer, but I never turned on the air conditioner in the living room." In response, Lee Jun was shocked by the intensity of the first question. When no one folded a finger, Jong Kook looked disappointed, and Park Young-jin made everyone laugh by saying, "You have to survive, right?" In some places, the window frames melt. Jong Kook further surprised everyone when he revealed, "I checked, and it turns out the remote in the living room didn't even have batteries." On the same show, Lim Woo-il appeared and claimed, "I saw on YouTube that leaving the air conditioner on can actually reduce your electricity bill." However, Jong Kook firmly refuted, "It's better not to turn it on at all," proving his frugal tendencies. Park Young-jin humorously commented on Jong Kook, saying, "It's amazing that he's even alive," bringing laughter to everyone. Jong Kook added, "When you make it through the summer without turning on the air conditioner, it feels really rewarding. This year, I made it through again, making everyone laugh." The next question in the Sun Byung-ho game was Lee Jun's claim that I've never washed a button-down shirt. When Lee Jun absurdly explained, "I don't sweat," Park Young-jin raised his voice, saying, "That's not being frugal." Lee Jun added, "I usually stay in cool places," causing another round of laughter. Jang Do-yeon confessed her spending habits regarding social media ads, saying, "I resist the urge to buy things." Park Young-jin also agreed that he needs to resist the urge to purchase items from social media and explained that he constantly repeats, "Nope, that's not true," to avoid falling for ads. Jong Kook mentioned, "When an ad pops up, I quickly skip it so I am not exposed to it for long." See also, a North Korean defector steals a bus in an attempt to return to North Korea after being dissatisfied with life in South Korea.